Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, let's start social studies task. Open a planner and mention date on plan number 36. In plan number 36, here is our task on page number 29 and 30. We will do question number 1 and 2, and also on page number 30 we will start done my interpretations. Okay, my interpretations. Sorry. Okay, let's start open page number 29. Firstly, mention date and day on the top of the page. It is about cleanliness as we have read out the chapter in our previous lecture. Question number 1. Color the sentence green if it is true and the blue if it is false. There are some sentences given to us, and we will color the statement according to the true or false of that statement. Okay. If it is true, we will color it green, and we will color it blue if it is false. Cleanliness is very important for staying healthy. Is it very important? Cleanliness? Yes, cleanliness is very important for our health. So it is true statement, so we will color it green. Second, germs cannot make us sick. Germs, but germs can make us sick. So it is a false statement, so color it blue. We must brush our teeth twice a day. Yes, we have to brush our teeth 2 times in a day. It is true statement, so we will color it green. We must wear neat clothes. Yes, it is also true. We have to be neat and clean, and we should be wear niche clothes. It is a true statement, so we will color it green. We must throw garbage everywhere. Is it a good habit? No. So it is a false statement, so color it blue. Question number 2. Think and choose. I need a dash to cut my nails. To cut our nails, but which instrument will we use, or which thing will we use? Nail cutter, pencil, or shoe polish? Yes, we will use nail cutter. Nail cutter is the correct answer. Take it on option number A and also write the true answer in the blank. Number 2. I need a dash to comb my hair. Napkin, hair comb, nail cutter. Yes, to combing our hair, we will use hair comb. Tick on option B and write correct option in the uh, blank. I need a dash to polish my shoe. To polish our shoes, what will we use? We use rubber, water, or shoe polish. Yes, we will use shoe polish. Okay, C is the correct answer. So tick on option number C and write the correct answer in the blank. Number D, fourth. I need a dash to wipe my nose. To wipe the nose, what will you use? Hair comb, handkerchief, or nail cutter? Yes, the correct answer is B. So tick on B. And also on page number 30, as a task included in our planner is my interpretations. Number the correct sequence of the hand washing. As we know how to wash our hands, there are some steps written in the box, but these are jumbled, or these are not in arranged or correct form. So we'll number number write the numbers in the circles to mention the correct sequence of washing hands. Let's read out all the statements so that we will clear the steps. Okay. Rub your palms and fingers for at least 20 times, 20 seconds. Firstly, we will just rubbing our palms. Okay, let's rinse both hands properly with water. Open the tap and wet your hands. Dry your hands with towel and hold the soap. But these are jumbled. We will not hold the soap in the end. So this is not the correct sequence. Look at all these statements and choose the which one will be The will be the starting procedure, starting step. Yes. Open the tap and wet your hand is the first step to wash the hands. We will just firstly open the tap and wet our hands. Then raise both hands, rubbing the palms. Dry your hands with towel or hold the soap. Yes, second step is hold the soap. After wetting your hands, we will use soap. Okay. After using the soap, we will rub our palm and fingers for 20 times. Okay. And after that, after rubbing the soap on the palms and fingers, we will rinse both hands properly with water. And after that, the last step is dry your hands with towel. So write the 3, 4, 1, 5, and 2 in the circles to determine the correct sequence of hand washing steps. Okay. Now the home task is for you that because we'll just read out and learn the page number 29 by heart. Okay, students, take care. Allah Hafiz.